Extreme close-up of deep rust eating through the fenders and doors, showing decades of decay.
Broken headlights, cracked glass, and oxidized chrome reveal total neglect.
The undercarriage drips rust flakes as the camera slowly moves beneath the car.
Interior shot reveals torn leather seats, moldy carpets, and collapsed foam.
The steering wheel is brittle and cracked, frozen in time. The engine bay opens to reveal a seized flat-six engine buried in oil sludge and corrosion.
Faded Porsche badges are barely readable under heavy oxidation.
Today we restore a legendary 1960s Porsche 911 Juice.
The readings on the cowl are consistent with the depth gauge.
Okay, I'm seeing the rust perforation clearly now with the scope.
The Porsche is lifted on a hydraulic platform for full structural inspection.
Technicians examine the severely rusted chassis and weakened framework.
Wheels are removed, revealing corroded brakes and seized suspension.
Engine wiring, fuel lines, and mounts are carefully disconnected.
An overhead hoist slowly lifts the frozen flat-six engine out. Body panels are unbolted and removed one by one.
Doors, hood, and fenders are laid out for damage assessment.
The interior is stripped completely down to bare metal.
Only the rusted body shell remains in the workshop.
Clean, bare metal is revealed under bright workshop lights.
Damaged sections are marked precisely for metal repair.
Fresh metal panels are welded seamlessly into placed blade.
Body alignment is measured to original factory specifications. Next one is 95 foot-pounds.
95. Torqued, confirmed locked.
Fuel delivery components are installed and pressure tested for safety.
Exhaust headers are aligned and secured beneath the rear-mounted engine. Heat shielding is installed to protect surrounding components.
Clutch system is calibrated using precision tools.
Steering rack components are cleaned, lubricated, and reassembled.
Door alignment is adjusted to achieve uniform panel gaps.
Interior wiring connections are finalized behind dashboard panels.
Seat mounting rails are secured to reinforced floor points.
Fine metal finishing smooths every surface by hand.
Primer coating is applied evenly across the entire body.
An iconic classic Porsche color is sprayed layer by layer.
Paint cures under controlled temperature conditions.
Pistons, crankshaft, and valves are cleaned and restored.
Transmission components are refurbished and reassembled whole.
A little lower on your side.
Okay, easy now. Watch the clearance on the heat exchanger.
Got it. Looks good.
Brake system is fully renewed for safety and performance stability.
Electrical wiring harness is repaired and rerouted to TUMAS.
Dashboard gauges are restored to original condition. Leather seats are reupholstered using period-correct materials. New carpets are installed matching original design cries.
Chrome trim is polished to a mirror finish.
Restored headlights and taillights are installed.
Refinished wheels with period-correct tires are fitted.
The Porsche is lowered back onto the workshop floor.
The flat six engine idles smoothly and confidently.
Technicians monitor oil pressure and engine temperature.
Golden hour lighting highlights flawless paintwork.
It took thousands of hours to bring this vintage 1960s Porsche 911 back to life, and the results are simply stunning.
This is how legends are brought back to life. Brura's vintage 1960s Porsche 911 restoration. Wheel alignment and suspension tuning are completed.
The Porsche slowly rolls out of the workshop.
Sunlight reveals the fully restored classic Porsche.
The fully restored Porsche 911 slowly rolls out onto the open road as the journey begins.